welcome back to Crash King online class. In today's session, we'll start new lesson, that is surface area and volume. Okay, so let us discuss about some of the formulas related to the some solids. Okay, see, basic informations about surface area and volume we are already studying in your 9th standard, isn't it? Cube, cuboids, cone, spheres, hemispheres, etc. Okay, so once we'll recall the formulas related to these solids. Okay, so the first one I'll consider cube. Okay, so first one cube. Okay, what is the meaning of cube? Cube is one of the solids whose all the sides are equal, isn't it? Okay, see, just I'll draw the diagram. Yes. See here, this is length. Okay, suppose A be the length of this cube. Okay, then this is breadth. Okay, so this breadth also will be same here, A units. Again, this is height. So height is also same. It will be A units. Okay. So cube means all the sides are equal. It's length as well as breadth as well as height. Okay. This is length A units. Then height is also A units. Then this breadth is also about A units. Okay. So here I take few formulas. Okay, related to this cube. Okay. So first one, LSA, okay, lateral surface area. LSA means lateral surface area. Okay, what is the formula here to find lateral surface area of a cube? Is given by lateral surface area is given by 4a square. Okay, this is 4a square. Okay, next second one, TSA. TSA means total surface area. Total, what is the total surface area? Next, TSA. TSA means total surface area. Okay, what is the formula? Total surface area is given by 6a square. Okay, next, third one, volume. Okay, what is the formula we use to find volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is given by a cube. Okay, volume of a cube is given by a cube. Okay, so here A means what? A is nothing but the side of the cube. Okay, side of the cube. Okay, so in the case of cube, all the sides are equal. Okay, yes. See here, if I consider this figure, this is your cube. Okay, so here first one, cube, see, LSA. LSA means lateral surface area. This is the lateral surface area. Okay, yes, what is the formula? 4a square. Okay, next, TSA means total surface area. How to calculate total surface area? This lateral surface area plus top as well as the bottom. Okay, including top and bottom portion. So together we will say total surface area. Okay, so here this is a cube. In the case of cube, all the sides are equal. Okay, see, this is the height. Okay, see, this is the height of the cube. Again, this is the length of the cube and this is breadth of the cube. Okay, height, breadth, length, all are equal here. Okay, yes. So this is about the cube. Next we will discuss about the cuboid. Okay, the second figure, the second solid is given by cuboid. Yes. So I draw the diagram cuboid. Okay, see here. Yes. See here, this is your cuboid. Okay. So here, this is length of the cuboid and this is height of the cuboid and this is breadth of the cuboid. Okay. This is length, this is your height and this is your breadth of the cuboid. Okay. So in the case of cuboid, first I will write the formulas LSA, TSA and volume. Okay. So the first one is given by LSA, lateral surface area. Okay. What is the formula? 2H into L plus B. 2H into L plus B. Okay. This is LSA of the cuboid. Next one about TSA. TSA means total surface area. What is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, this is the formula for TSA of the cuboid. Next, third one is about volume. Okay, what is the formula we use to find volume of a cuboid? That is L into B into H. Okay, so here L means what? L is nothing but the length of the cuboid. Next, B is nothing but the breadth of the cuboid. Next, H is nothing but the height of the cuboid. Okay, so L means length, B means breadth, as well as H means height. Okay, yes, see, this is a cuboid. Okay, so in the case of cuboid, see, this is the length of the cuboid, this is your height, as well as this is your breadth. Understood now? Okay. So you can observe here, your cuboid means it is a rectangular face, isn't it? It is in rectangular face. Okay, but cube means square face, right? Okay. So this is about the cuboid. Okay. Yes. So next, third one, right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder closed at the top. Right circular cylinder closed at the top. Okay. Yes. So first I will draw the figure. Okay. Cylinder. So this is your cylinder. Okay. So first I will write the formulas related to cylinder. Okay. So first one, LSA. Okay. LSA means lateral surface area. What is the formula? 2 pi RH. Okay. 2 pi RH. So next, TSA of the cylinder, 2 pi R into R plus H. 2 pi R into R plus H. Okay. Third one, volume of the cylinder is given by pi R square H. Okay. Pi R square H. This is a volume of a cylinder. TSA of the cylinder 2 pi R into R plus H. LSA of the cylinder 2 pi R H. Okay. Yes. See, this is your cylinder. Okay. So in the case of cylinder, lateral surface area means this is your curved surface area. Okay. LSA or CSA. Sometimes we use that term CSA. CSA or LSA, both are same. Okay. Yes. See, this is curved surface area, as well as if you consider this curved surface area along with the top and bottom, that is the TSA. Okay. So here this is a cylinder. Okay. Yes. So next, I consider fourth figure. Right circular cylinder suppose its top is open, then what is the formula we'll use to find LSA, TSA and the volume? Okay, so first LSA. See, while we are finding LSA, the formula will be same. Okay, that is 2 pi r h. Okay, 2 pi r h, but only TSA formula will change. Okay, only TSA formula will change if the top is open. Okay, if the top face of the cylinder is open, then the TSA formula will change. Okay, so that is given by pi r into 2h plus r. Okay, but here what is the formula to find TSA? 2 pi r into r plus h. If the top is closed, if we have closed top. Okay, but if we have open top, then what is the formula to calculate TSA? Pi r into 2h plus r. This is the difference. Okay, only TSA will change, remaining term will be as it is. Okay, volume formula will be same, that is pi r square h. Volume will be same. Okay, volume will not change, only TSA formula will change. Okay, pi r into 2h plus r. Okay, next fifth one, I will consider fifth one, cone. Okay, cone. Okay, yes. So what is the shape of the cone? See here. This is H, this is R and this is L. Okay, so this is known as a slant height. Okay, L means slant height, H means height of the cone, R means radius of the base of the cone. Okay, so first we'll see what is the formula for LSA. Okay, so LSA of the cone is given by pi r L. Okay, next TSA formula is given by TSA is equal to pi r into r plus L. Okay, pi r into r plus L. Next volume of a cone. Okay, volume of a cone is given by 1 by 3 into pi r square h. Okay, 1 by 3 into pi r square h. Okay, but here L, how to calculate the value of L here? L means slant height. Understood now? L means slant height. How to calculate the L value? The value of L is given by square root of h square plus r square. Okay, by using the formula L is equal to square root of h square plus r square, we can calculate the length of slant height. Okay, yes. See here, this is your cone. Okay, this is your cone. You can observe here its base is circular, isn't it? The base of the cone is circular, right? Okay, so this is about the cone. Okay, yes. Next formula, sphere. Next one, sphere. Sixth one, sphere. Okay, what is the shape of a sphere? Okay, sphere, isn't it? See, this is a radius r of the sphere. Okay, so here what is the formula we'll use to find LSA, TSA as well as the volume? Okay, so here LSA is given by lateral surface area is given by 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Okay, next TSA is also same. LSA and TSA both are same. Understood now? LSA value as well as the TSA value both are same in the case of sphere. Okay, next third one, volume. Volume is given by 4 by 3 sphere. Next, hemisphere. Next we will see about hemisphere. Okay. What is the meaning of hemisphere? Hemisphere means half of the sphere, isn't it? See, the shape of the hemisphere is given by see, this is your hemisphere, okay? Hemisphere means half of the sphere, okay? See, this is also radius, this is also radius, understood now? So here height, this is nothing but a height of the hemisphere. Here height value will be equal to radius, understood now? So this is also radius, this is also radius, okay? Yes. See, we will see the formulas. So first, and take LSA. LSA of the hemisphere is given by 2 pi r h, 2 pi r square. This is about to LSA. Next, TSA. TSA is given by 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square is TSA of the hemisphere. Next, volume of the hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 into pi r cube. Okay, 2 by 3 into pi r cube. Okay, so this is about the hemisphere. Okay, next one, last one remaining important, frustum. Frustum of a cone. Okay, frustum of a cone. Frustum. What is the shape of a frustum? Okay, see, frustum, 8th one. Frustum means see, this is your frustum. Okay, so frustum means here you will be having two circular, base also circle as well as this top also circular in shape. Okay, but you will be having two different radius. Okay, base radius and the top radius will be different. Understood now? So one radius will be smaller than the another one. Okay, so here R2 means radius of the top, R1 is nothing but the radius of its base. Okay, so here we'll see some formulas. Okay, see, this is H as well as this is your L. Okay, L means slant height, this is your H height. Okay, yes, so we'll see the formula. First one, LSA. Okay, what is the LSA of the frustum? Okay, LSA is given by pi L into R1 plus R2. Pi L into R1 plus R2. Okay. Next, second one, TSA. TSA is given by pi R1 square plus R2 square plus L into R1 plus R2. This is your formula. Okay, TSA is given by pi into R1 square plus R2 square plus L. L is common here. L is common for these two, R1 plus R2. Okay, next, third one, volume. Volume formula is given by 1 by 3 pi H, 1 by 3 pi H R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Okay, 1 by 3 pi H R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Okay, this is about the volume. Okay, but here how to calculate L value? If it is cone, then L value is calculated by square root of H square plus R square. But in the case of a frustum, how to calculate the value of the L? Okay, so here L is given by square root of H square minus R1 H square plus R1 minus the R2 whole square. Okay, L value is given by, okay, how to calculate the value of L? L means slant height. L is given by square root of h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square. Okay, so by this way we can calculate the length of slant height. Okay, so remember students, all these formulas, we will use this formula while we are solving the problems. Okay, so at least write and practice at least for 5 times each formula, or else you will get confusion. Okay, so therefore write and practice, that's all. So next we will see surface area of combination of solids. Okay, so here 2 or more, 2 or 3 solids will combine. Okay, so we will solve some problems related to this combination of solids. Okay, so here exercise 15.1 problem. Among the first question is given by 2 cubes, each of volume 64 cm cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, so just look at this figure. Here you will be having 2 cubes. Okay, this is your first cube, this is your second cube. What I will do, I will join these 2 cubes together. Okay, after joining these 2 cubes, the resulting solid is a cuboid. Understood? No? If I join 2 cubes, then the resulting figure is a cuboid. Okay, so you have to find what is the surface area of the resulting cuboid. That means you have to calculate TSA, total surface area of this newly formed cuboid. Okay, so before that, in the question given 2 cubes, each of volume 64 cm cube, means volume of one single cube is given by how much? 64 cm cube. Okay, so given volume of one cube. Okay, one single cube is equal to how much? 64 cm cube. Okay, volume of one single cube is how much? 64 cm cube. Okay, just recall what is the formula we used to find volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is given by a cube, isn't it? So therefore I can write a cube is equal to 64. A cube is equal to 64. Okay, yes. See, a cube write as it is. 64. Shall I write this 64 as 4 cube? Okay, once you calculate 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, 4 cube is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4. How much? 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64, isn't it? So therefore, in the place of 64, shall I write 4 cube? Yes. So once you compare, see, observe here, its power values are same, isn't it? 3, 3. So therefore, its base values will be equal. That means A is equal to 4. Okay. So here A is nothing but side length of each cube. Side length of each cube. Okay. So therefore, this is your first cube. So what is the length of the first cube? Side length, it's about 4. Okay. So again, this is your height. Okay. So height is also 4 centimeter. Again, this is a breadth of the cube. Breadth is also about 4 centimeter. Okay. So this is for the first cube. What about for the second cube? For the second cube also length will be same. Understood? No? So what is here to here? What is the length of this side? 4. Okay. 4. Again, its height is also same 4 units. Again, its breadth is also same 4 units. Okay. Only. Okay. Yes. See now, if we join 2 cubes end to end, then the resulting solid is a cuboid. Right? Okay. So therefore, this is your resulting solid. Okay. So now for cuboid, what is the value of length, breadth as well as a height? Okay, see, this is the length of the cuboid. Okay, what is the length of the cuboid? 4 plus 4 equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. What is the breadth of the cuboid? This is the breadth of the cuboid. Breadth also will be same. How much? 4 centimeter. Okay. Breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So now our question is to calculate what is the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So therefore surface area of the resulting cuboid, surface area of the resulting cuboid, okay, this is nothing but a TSA of the cuboid. Okay, this is nothing but a TSA of the cuboid. Okay, TSA of cuboid. Okay, what is the formula to calculate TSA of the cuboid? Is given by 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, right? Now we'll substitute the value. This is equal to 2 into L value. What is the value of L here? Length value how much? 8. Okay. So 8 into breadth value how much? Breadth is equal to 4. Okay. Next BH. BH means breadth into height. Breadth how much? 4. Height how much? 4. So therefore 4 into 4 plus HL. Okay. H value how much? 4. L value how much? 8. So 4 into 8. Okay. Yes. So this is equal to 4 8s are how much? 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32. So this is equal to 32 plus 32 equal to how much? 64 plus 16. So 2 into 64 plus 16 equal to how much? 80. So 80 into 2 how much? 160. So therefore what is the surface area of the resulting cuboid? Surface area of the resulting cuboid is given by 160 centimeter square. Okay. So this is 2 mark question, important question.
Next question, this is your second question. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Okay, find the inner surface area of the vessel. Okay, so here this is your cylinder. A cylinder is, or you can say first this is your hemisphere. A hemisphere is mounted by a hollow cylinder. Okay, so this is a hemisphere which is mounted by a hollow cylinder, means on the hemisphere one cylinder is placed. Okay, yes. So here also given the diameter of the hemisphere given. Okay, so diameter, what is the symbol for diameter? Diameter is a D. D is equal to how much? 14 centimeter given. So therefore what is the radius of the hemisphere? Radius is given by 14 by 2 equal to how much? 7 centimeter. Okay, so therefore radius of the hemisphere, this is your radius of the hemisphere, how much it is? 7 centimeter. Okay, so if it is radius, then what about this one? This is also radius, isn't it? So if it is 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter. Understood? No, this is equal to 7 means this is also 7 centimeter. Okay, yes. Also given the total height of the vessel given. Okay, total height means here to here. Okay, total height of the vessel how much? 13 centimeter. This is about 13 centimeter. Okay, yes. See here they have discussed about the two solids. Okay, so this figure is a combination of two solids. Which are the two solids? Hemisphere as well as a cylinder. Okay, so therefore I'll consider two columns. Okay, first one is a hemisphere. This is a hemisphere and this is a cylinder. Okay, this is your cylinder. Okay, yes. See here, for the hemisphere, first I'll write the informations related to the hemisphere. Later I'll write the informations related to the cylinder. Okay. For the hemisphere, radius value R is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. Okay. See, one thing you have to remember, radius of the hemisphere will be equal to the radius of the cylinder. Okay. So, radius will be equal for both radius value will be same for both cylinder as well as hemisphere. Okay. So, therefore, under cylinder column, okay, radius value same, that is 7 centimeter. Okay. But what about h value? H means the height of the cylinder. Okay. In the question given, total height is equal to how much? 13 centimeter. Okay. My question is to calculate what is the height of the cylinder, this dotted line. Okay, what is the height of the cylinder? How to calculate height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder I'll indicate it by h. Okay, from the full height, what is that? 13 centimeter. If you remove this 7 centimeter, what about the remaining part? Okay, see, 13 minus 7. Okay, 13 minus 7 will be equal to 6 centimeter. So, therefore, what is the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. 6 plus 7 equal to how much? 13 centimeter, isn't it? Okay. So, therefore, height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. Okay. So, now, what is my question? I am going to find the inner surface area of the vessel. So, therefore, the inner surface area of vessel, the inner surface area of a vessel is given by, okay, what is the formula? Inner surface area of the full vessel is given by CSA of the hemisphere plus CSA of the cylinder. Okay, yes, there are two solids, hemisphere as well as cylinder. So, therefore, I'll consider CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder will give the value of inner surface area of the vessel. The total inner surface area of the vessel is given by CSA of the hemisphere plus CSA of the cylinder. Okay, yes. So, what is the formula to find CSA of the hemisphere? CSA of the hemisphere is given by 2 pi r square, okay, plus CSA of the cylinder is given by 2 pi r h. Okay, so now take the common elements. 2 pi r is common here, so what is the remaining? R plus h, isn't it? R plus h is your R plus h. Okay, yes, okay. Next, I'll substitute the value in the place of 2, write as it is. But what is the value of pi? Pi is given by 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7 into radius value. What is the value of radius? Radius is common. So, what is that? 7 into r plus h. 7 plus h value. H means height of the cylinder. How much it is? 6. Okay. So, 7 plus 6. Can I cancel this 7 and 7? Yes. This is equal to 2 into 22 equal to 44 into 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 equal to how much? 13. Okay. So, now multiply 44 into 13. Okay. So, 44 into 13. 4 3s are 12. 1 carrying. Again 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. So, 2 7 5. So, what is your answer? 572 centimeter square is the total inner surface area of this vessel. Okay, so important question. This is important question. Okay, write and practice this problem. The next third question is given by: a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Okay, see here one toy given. Okay, so this toy, how they are given? This is in the form of a cone. Okay, cone of radius 3.5 centimeter which is mounted on a hemisphere. Okay, so this is hemisphere and this is a cone. Okay, so this toy is a combination of a hemisphere as well as a cone, isn't it? In the question given, radius of the hemisphere and the radius of the cone both are same. Okay, yes, see, first hemisphere and another one cone, isn't it? So first I'll write the informations related to the hemisphere and cone. Okay, radius of the hemisphere given how much? 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Since the radius of the hemisphere and the cone both are same, okay, what about the radius for the cone? Radius of the cone is also same. Okay, yes, also given here the total height given. This is your total height. Total height how much? 15.5 centimeter. Okay, yes, see once again, radius 3.5, so this is the radius, so this is about how much? 3.5 centimeter. So if it is 3.5, then what about this one? This is also height of the hemisphere, this is also radius of the hemisphere here, so therefore this is also 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so first I will calculate what is the height of the cone. Okay, so therefore height of the cone, under cone column, height of the cone. Okay, so how to calculate the height of the cone? Okay, from this 15.5 centimeter, if I remove this 3.5 centimeter, okay, so 15.5 minus 3.5, okay, the remaining part will be the height of the cone, isn't it? Okay, so 15.5 minus 3.5, how much? 12 centimeter. So therefore what is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is 12 centimeter. Okay, so also since it is a cone, in the cone we have slant height, isn't it? Okay, so now we are going to calculate what is the slant height of the cone. Okay, yes, what is the symbol for this slant height? Slant height is given by L. Okay, and also what is the formula to calculate slant height? Is given by h square plus r square, isn't it? Okay, so now substitute the value. H means height of the cone, how much it is? 12. So 12 square plus r square, what is the r value? 3.5 whole square. Okay, yes, we'll substitute the value. This is equal to, okay, yes, equal to 12 square how much? 144 plus 3.5 whole square. Okay, 3.5 whole square means you multiply 3.5 two times. 3.5 into 3.5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carrying, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 how much? 17. Next again 5 3s are 15, 1 carrying, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 how much? 10. Okay, yes, so 5, 7 plus 2, so 2, 1. So what is the answer? 12.25. Okay, so therefore 3.5 whole square is given by 12.25. So 144 plus 12.25 is given by how much? 156.25, isn't it? 156.25. Okay, so now we are going to calculate the square root of 156.25. Okay, so how to calculate? Already We have discussed about long division method, isn't it? Okay, so I'll use that long division method here. Okay, yes, see, one thing you have to remember, we can use the long division method for the decimal number also. Okay, yes, see, 156.25. okay, so the first step to make a group of two numbers, one group and one. Okay, so in the first group you have only one number, that is 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 0, so shift the next number 6. 1 plus 1 equal to how much? 2. Okay, so now in this place I'll choose one number. Which number I'll choose? If I take 2, 22 into 2, how much? 44 you will get, isn't it? So 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So here add 2. Okay, 22 plus 2 equal to how much? 4. Okay, so again I'll bring down the next group, that is 25. So now which number you will choose? If I choose 5, 245 into 5, okay, equal to how much? 1, 2, 2, 5 you will get. Okay, so here take point. So therefore, what is the square root of 156.25 is given by 12.5. Okay, 12.5. okay, what is the unit? Centimeter. Okay, so this is the value of slant height. Okay, so now what is the question? Find the total surface area of the toy. Okay, what is the total surface area of the toy? Okay, so I'll write the solution. Therefore the total surface area of the toy, is given by, okay, what is the formula? Total surface area of the toy is given by CSA of the hemisphere plus CSA of the cone. Okay, yes, CSA of the hemisphere plus CSA of cone. Okay, CSA of cone. Okay, what is the formula we'll use to find CSA of the hemisphere? That is 2 pi r square. Okay, plus CSA of the cone is given by pi r l. Okay, so now choose the common term. Which is your common term? Pi r is common here. So what is the remaining term? 2r plus l, isn't it? Okay, so from these two, pi is common. Also one more r square, one r I will take outside, one more r remaining here, r plus l. Okay, 2r plus l remain here. So now I will substitute the value. Pi means 22 by 7. R means, what is the value of r here? R is nothing but 3.5. Okay, 2 into r means 3.5 plus L value. What is the value of L? 12.5. Okay, so now 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are 7, isn't it? 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are 7. Again 2 ones are 2 11s are, right? So therefore your remaining term 11 into 2 into 3.5 equal to how much? 7 plus 12.5. So 7 plus 12.5 equal to how much? 19.5. 19.5. Okay. So now multiply 11 into 19.5. Okay. So I'll do here. Okay. I'll multiply here. 19.5 into 11. Okay, so 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 1, 1 1s are 1, once again 5 9 1. So 5 9 plus 5 14, 9 10 11. So 2, what is the number? 214.5. So what is the answer here? This is equal to 214.5 centimeter square is the total surface area of the toy. Okay, see, CSA of the hemisphere 2 pi r square plus CSA of the cone pi r l. Okay, so take a common term here, pi r is common term, then the remaining terms are 2r plus l. Pi value 22 by 7, r value 3.5, 2 into r, 2 into 3.5 is 7, 7 plus 12.5 is 19.5, 3.5 ones are 3.5, 2s are 7, 2 ones are 2, 11s are, so 11 into 19.5 equal to how much? 214.5 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the total surface area of the toy.